Here's what we ate at our Bohol trip, and we'll share you our experience and expenses. So if you're planning to go to Bohol, then this video is for you, so make sure to watch till the end.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
First, we tried the Rico's Grill and Barbecue near Katibo Chapel. And one thing we noticed, during gabi lang sila nag-ooperate. Basically, grilled lahat ng pagkain dito. Karinderya style, basic dining open space. So here's what we ordered. Hindi na namin natanong isa-isa kung magkano kasi ang dami ding tao.
Ito mga may rice.
So sa sauce nila, may option kayo kung spicy or normal lang. May free water din and then free plastic gloves as well. Be ready lang din na may ka-share kayo sa table.
Masarap yung sauce nila. Kaya feeling ko yun yung binabalik-balikan ng mga tao dito. Tsaka feeling mo nasa ibang bansa ka pa. Kasi puro Koreano yung katabi namin dito. Masarap, yummy?
Busog!
For this one, we spent 420 pesos. Next, this rainforest-inspired cafe and restaurant, Mist, known for its relaxed and laid-back atmosphere. First impression, sobrang IG-worthy ng lugar. Ang unique ng setup ng tables and chairs. Tapos may pa-slide pa.
For the aesthetic, syempre, expected na medyo pricey siya. Pero let's see sa pagkain. Kasi so far sa mga nababasa ko sa review, bukod sa aesthetic, masarap din yung pagkain dito. So let's see.
Masarap!
Wala pa masarap.
So here's what we ordered. Tomato beef ravioli, glory ribs, complimentary bread and butter, mango dragon fruit shake, and pistachio de coconut. Wow!
Yummy.
Yummy!
Yummy. Mix mo.
Ang kakaiba yung lasa. Tikman natin yung complimentary bread. Pwede. Crispy yung outer. Crispy.
Malambot yung loob.
Hindi ko alam kung anong lasa nito. Pero gusto siya ng taste palette ko. Pagod.
Tikman natin.
Sarap. Sarap. I'll be honest with this one. Sakto lang sa akin yung lasa. Siguro may nakainan din kasi kami na ribs na medyo flavorful yung sauce compared dito. Pero yung pinaka-ribs, malambot siya. So, okay naman din. Deal reveal. 19.56
Ang anak ko, nagkikrave sa kanin at egg. Walang mahanap kaming silog. So, ang bagsak, 7-Eleven.
Since nagkalat ang 7-Eleven sa area, hindi problema yung biglaang cravings anytime. Pagod na din kami that time kaya sa hotel na lang kami magdi-dinner. By the way, kung budget hotel accommodation sa Panglao, Bohol lang hanap, baka makatulong sa inyo ang video na to. And for 7-Eleven, we spent 283 pesos. Habang pabrik ng hotel, nakakita kami ng prutas, so bumili din kami ng mangga and we spent 75 pesos. Kung bread naman ang hanap, may Julie's Bake Shop din kaming nakita. Goods din to sa mga nagtitipid kasi we only spent 65 pesos. Next, we also tried Lamoy, a restaurant that serves Chinese and Filipino cuisines, located near Alona Beach Access and Alona Car Park. Ang dami kong nabasa na masarap daw yung laksa dito. Unfortunately, sold out na nung punta namin.
Order namin. Wala yung laksa nila guys, sayang. Gusto pa naman namin.
Tapos scallop.
Masarap yung scallop, no? Masarap yung scallop, no wonder, kaya besen. Tikman natin yung chicken nila.
Basta na gano'n.
Masarap din yung chicken.
Ang juicy niya eh.
Ito nakakapag-decide kung masarap yung chicken. Sagot sa chicken ano? Tell me kung masarap.
We ordered some of their bestseller and no doubt, masarap talaga siya. Plus, generous pa yung serving nila. By the way, may seafood paluto din sila dito and serving time nila usually 20 to 30 minutes.
1,088.
We received this stop sa Panglao Airport kaya pinatos na namin para makatipid. So yes, we had a free dinner buffet sa Stellar Panglao.
Sarap ng free.
So here's the catch. After nyo makapag-avail ng free dinner buffet, may i-offer sila sa inyo through presentation. Pero nasa sa inyo naman kung mag-a-avail kayo o hindi. So kapag may bata, hindi pwedeng mawala ang Jollibee. So we tried the one along the Panglao Road.
Request ng aming bebe. Kumain ka ha?
Another must try dito sa Bohol, etong Bar Woo. Uunahan ko na kayo, dinadayo to. As in, may waiting time bago makapasok.
Isa sa reason kaya gusto namin kumain dito kasi nakaka-intriga kasi ang daming kumakain dito.
Located along highway, it serves tropical Asian flavors. Open sila 12 noon to 10 p.m. every day. Pero pumunta kami ng Wednesday, sarado sila.
Around 30 minutes kami nag-antay.
Cozy yung atmosphere sa loob and limited lang yung food selection, as in one page lang yung food, the rest drinks na. We ordered their sea urchin bibimbap at mango chicken wings.
Oh, mamay na cute. Kakain na ka?
Okay ba?
Malumatik mo. Sarap.
Not eat all these sweets. Gonna be easy peasy.
Ba natin yung mango wings.
So many ways.
Sarap niya.
Siguro doon na lang tayo sa point na dinadayo at may pila kasi ang sarap ng pagkain nila. As in, worth it yung pag-aantay nyo. For this one, we spent 1,310. We also tried this pangmasa eatery, Gabriel's Eatery, along the highway din to. So we ordered pansit, buttered shrimp, at sisig. Masarap naman yung shrimp at sisig. Yung pansit lang, di namin nagustuhan. Too much pepper siya para sa amin. And for this one, we spent 755 pesos.
Itiri ba yun? Paluto kasi siya.
Masarap naman. Na-shock lang kami sa presyo. Pero affordable na siya compared sa mga resto kayo kakain, di ba? Medyo expensive talaga dito sa Bohol.
For desserts, we tried Ice Flakes Bohol, at the Buzz Ice Cream by Bohol Bee Farm na both located sa Alona Beach Access Road. Siyempre, hindi kumpleto ang Bohol food trip experience kung wala ang lunch sa Lobok River Cruise. By the way, here are the rates. Food sa Lobok River. Yung pinagkukuha namin. Yay! Are you hungry?
Yeah.
To be honest, masarap yung mga foods pero nothing so special. Yung atake kasi nila dito is yung kakaibang dining experience. Yung amazing view ng Lobok River at warm welcome ng mga locals, which made the cruise so special. So if you are in Bohol, this one is definitely must try.
Sana nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Follow nyo na rin kami sa aming mga social media accounts.
Thank you for watching. See you in our next Bohol vlog!
Bye-bye.